Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, checking out my new video. Thank you guys so much. So anyways, so this video is gonna be all about these two boxes right here. These two boxes right here were no longer a box. We're gonna compare them, which one was the best out of August. So if you wanna see which one is the best, please keep watching. If it's just the first time you ever seen me, ever heard of me, you came from Instagram. If you came from Instagram, thank you so much for stopping by, checking out my new video. If you're a recent subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking up for me and checking out, always being there for my new videos. I know views have been going down for everybody, but it's okay. We have to keep going. It's what we want. It's what we love to do. I love doing this. Let's know the drill, so subscribe down below if you're new to my channel or you haven't been subscribed. You're so cute. Like this video if I know it's the beginning of the video, but don't forget to like and comment below about this look. Comment below. See, I love this look. So anyway, so today's video we're gonna be talking about Ipsy Boxycharm August boxes. We're gonna be seeing which one was the best, which one fucked up. You guys know which one fucked up, but we're gonna talk about that. So first is Ipsy had a big upgrade. Like no shit. Like they had a big upgrade. Now for Ipsy, you can actually choose 3 out of the 5 items, which that's pretty freaking good, man. That is good. But they changed. There's no longer a box. No box. I guess that's because of the COVID-19 or but I believe that it's gonna start sending them like this. But they did have an upgrade. There's no more like those little bags. There's just this cute little bag right here. It's so pretty. Boxycharm hasn't had any upgrades, so it's still the same old black box. The black box of Pandora. So there you go. So Ipsy, Boxycharm, So Ipsy had the big upgrade, which is good. I mean, so good. It's pretty freaking good because I was able to choose 3 products, but you're just gonna see why it's so small. Boxycharm is the same thing. Same products. They have to choose 1 product. They should follow the steps of Ipsy because 3 out of 5. Why not? It's crazy because we always end up choosing 3 out of the 5 products. I've been doing that for a long time. 2 out of the products that I don't like, I always put it on my giveaways. As you guys know, I have an active giveaway right now, so that's what I've been doing. Now for Ipsy, they only send me the 3 items that I chose. There's only 3 items on this box. Like bag, like not kidding. They messed up big time. Big time. So this is my choices. This is what I chose. This is what I chose. This is what I chose. That's all they sent me. This is just 3 items. I already contacted Ipsy and they're sending me my other stuff, my 2 items, which is gonna be like eye crayons and some brushes that I'm adding to my giveaway. Also adding them. It's gonna be a big giveaway. Now for Boxycharm, I never had that problem. I don't know what happened with Ipsy, but I never had that problem. Here are my 5 items. But they did fucked up in one thing on my choice. I actually chose the Too Faced concealer and they sent me the Glam Glow. If you watch my unboxing from Boxycharm, you guys gonna know they fucked up big time. But they sent me the Glam Glow, which is not bad. It's actually really good. So I'm okay with it. Now for this month, they actually went really different. Ipsy also sent me brush set. It's not here yet, it's coming, but also Boxycharm also went up again with Morphe. I think this is the first time I ever see Morphe on the base box. I don't know before, but Boxycharm actually said Morphe. And this brush set they're so good. That's how I did my eyes, and really for Ipsy, they fucked up big time. My boxes, but for the boxes, like the shipping, they always come in on the Ipsy came in before Boxycharm. I just barely got Boxycharm they take forever. They send it with FedEx. Ipsy sends it with USPS. So FedEx takes a really long time. USPS is around the place, so they always deliver. That's why I was able to, get the box. Now for Boxycharm, that actually went really different, but they sent me 2 items of the same brand. I'm not sure if they did it on purpose or they actually did it, because of the same brand. But these 2 items I'm actually gonna add to my giveaway. It's actually pretty good. I tried Thriftic already. They're really good brand. They're very unique. So these products are gonna be for lucky subscribers. For this also item, they sent me an eye primer, I believe, because of the Morphe brushes. As you guys know, Boxycharm sends you a postcard, same as Ipsy. Ipsy also sends you a postcard. Now for Boxycharm, they mention the brand, the name, how much it is, how you use the product, like an info on it. But Ipsy actually doesn't do that. They actually don't. Now the theme of Ipsy is actually called Build Your Own Perfect Bag. The future is yours, because the whole option of picking 3 items out of the 5. Now for Boxycharm hasn't done that, and they don't even have an app. Ipsy has an app, which is a big plus for the app, for us, But Boxycharm, they still use the same old website. I think Ipsy and Boxycharm have been on the same place, same time. I mean, Boxycharm needs to really step up on the app. Get a bunch of developers, get on the app. So for Ipsy, it was kind of boring this month. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, they wanted to try this foundation, but the selection was kind of like boring to me, and they still don't give me the wow factor. I still don't get I'm not getting the wow factor yet. When it comes to Boxycharm, they do, some products here that actually like, wow, damn, I can't believe I got that, But for Ipsy, it's like, not that excitement. I'm like, oh, that sucks, that's very, once again, Boxycharm always gonna be the winner for each month. There's no Boxycharm versus Ipsy on July, because the whole thing that happened with my box. I got my boxes on August the 1st. You guys know the whole thing that happened. So Boxycharm is the winner, yay! So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you like this video, if you like, my comments, if you like my content, let me know. Follow me on social media. You can always follow me there. I'm trying to grow Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.